So in this episode, we're going to be talking about implications of wearable glasses and the possibility of something that we've nicknamed live streaming. You need to wear glasses or you wear contacts. For me, I know that there's a relatively large hipster market. I'm not going to be whacking on the head.
Top off your man bun.
I think I've done enough things with the beard and the man bun. Just leave it at that. This is so good that we do so much content at Pitch Black now because everything's recorded.
This podcast is actually just so Adrian can get his predictions on me.
It's serving a very selfish purpose. That's my prediction.
We've been waiting to say that.
Well, it's caught on a thing now. I'll be able to dig it up in 2028 and tell my kids, look! I told you! They'll be like 5. And they're like, I don't understand what you're talking about.
I don't care, Dad. I've always had live streaming.
I wanted to buy some of these things and I couldn't get my hands on them. Sometimes that's good if you're like a nightclub in Berlin.
And you're only letting hot people in.
Look that up if you're interested, but it means that whatever you record and then you upload onto your phone, you can't see me now because this is a podcast. But
from a personal point of view, I'm not very sure what the ultimate benefits would be of like a 15-year-old being able to live stream their life.
Well, do you know what's interesting about a 15-year-old's life?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Live.me seems to think so.
Pause that out. Put that in the highlights reel. We've got two video guys in front of us right now as we're recording this podcast. Cameras can't really be clear. Everyone's shaking their head in the room. Absolutely.
That's not how physics works.
That's not how science works.
That's not how it works.